seem very efficient. It will be overflowing in like within 5 minutes.
Kind of overflowing.
I think they've got to be ready for
I've
it.
seen them there, just like loads of water just pouring into them. They're doing their job. I bet when it stops, it just disappears really quickly.
So you can see.
Everybody, when we get to the hotel and you get off the bus, please don't run. It could be slippery on the way. Just walk properly. And yeah, tomorrow I'm not going to Bangkok with you. I have 1 day rest tomorrow and another like a tour on the 17th. It's good to have 1 day rest.
Yeah.
So anyway, everyone, I'm not going to say goodbye, and but I wish you to have a good journey tomorrow to the border and crossing to Bangkok, and enjoy the rest of your holiday. And thank you again for everything, especially your kindness, your smile, your attention. Again, friendliness. That is a big thing. Yep. So I hope I see you again one day in Siem Reap. Who knows? Maybe next year you come back, or next month. Yeah.
Remember any of it. Oh wow.
Looking
Don't know.
for where you can walk. Everyone, let me check. But we can walk through this way. But be careful.
Thank you, Dave.
Yeah.